Okay, so just sit down and cross your leg, back straight, make a chin mudra and your eyes closed. Aankhein band. Slowly and deeply लंबा गहरा श्वास लीजिए. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep relaxing. Relax your shoulder, relax your back, and relax your whole body. Om chanting one time. Inhale. Now your both palm together. Rub your palm again. Place your both palm on your eyes. Relax mind, relax hands. Gently open eyes and look up at your palm. Hands down. Inhale and exhale. Now your hands are straight. Your hand lift your shoulder. Finger low, straight hand look up. 5. Just lift your shoulder a bit more up. 4. सीधे हाथ. 3. 2 and 1. Slowly coming back. Inhale and exhale. Open hand, shoulder level. Inhale, right side, elbow down and exhale your left hand up. Breathe in and up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Finger low behind. Inhale. Exhale. Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now after this, open your right leg, right side. Straight leg, open hand. Inhale and exhale. Slowly try to bend right side. Breathe in and out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Finger long with the both hands up. Inhale and exhale. Right side. Bend. Yes. Hands straight. कंधों को थोड़ा सा पीछे करो. Shoulder little bit back side. Yes. 5, 4. नी को दबा के रखना नीचे. 3, 2 and 1. आ जाओ वापस, come back. Inhale and exhale. This time your right foot. Wait. Open. Yes. So hold your foot with the both hand and touch your knee. धीरे धीरे नीचे जाओ. Slowly go down and try to touch your knee. और knee को दबा के रखना नीचे की तरफ. 5. टच करो नी को अपने माथे से from your forehead. 4. Yes. 3. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Right leg bend. Both knee one line. एक ही लाइन बनेंगे आपके दोनों knee. Yes. Left hand behind. Right hand front. Yes. Up. Slowly up. Inhale. And exhale के साथ होल्ड करो, हिप को आगे की तरफ पुश करो, पुश योर हिप फ्रंट. 5 4 यस 3 जितना होता है ट्राई करो, ट्राई योर बेस्ट. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now after this, straight your left leg. Straight your leg, open hand shoulder level, left side elbow down. You do one thing, if she practice वो थोड़ा सा नीचे हो जाएंगे practice के लिए, so I can see she do right or wrong. थोड़ा सा साइड में हो जाएंगे, so I can see little bit her posture. 5 4 3 2 and 1. Bubbles. Inhale and exhale. Both hands up, finger lock. Inhale, stretch your shoulder up and exhale. Slowly back. 5. सीधे हाथ बिल्कुल, कंधे थोड़े से पीछे की तरफ, पैर सीधा बिल्कुल. 3 2 and 1. आ जाओ वापस, come back. Inhale and exhale. Last time now, bend your knee. One hand behind. Yes. One hand behind, right hand behind. Up. Inhale and exhale के साथ lift your hip up. 5 4 3 2 1. आ जाओ वापस. Inhale and exhale. Now straight your legs front, feet together. Open hand shoulder level. Inhale and right side. Exhale. Proper elbow को drop करो नीचे. Straight your left hand and open your chest. Yes. आपका जो हाथ है बिल्कुल कान के पास में रहेगा. Put your hand close to the ear. 4 3 2 and 1. धीरे धीरे वापस. Come back. Inhale. Slowly opposite side. Exhale के साथ. Try. Yes. Feel the stretch. 5 4 3 2 and 1. आ जाइए वापस. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Forward bending. Right leg back. Hands up. Inhale. Now धीरे धीरे नीचे जाइए. Lengthen your back. Back को लंबा करते हुए यहाँ से ऐसे. Bend from your hip. And then slowly hold your foot, or you can drop elbow. Foot को hold कर सकते हो और elbow नीचे जमीन पे टच कर सकते हो. Left leg straight. Left leg है आपका बिल्कुल सीधा रहेगा. Knee down. 5 घुटना नीचे की तरफ. 4 जाइए और नीचे. 3 2 and 1. Hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Fold your back. Simple stretch. right hand behind on your knee, up, left leg straight, bend your back, one hand up, 5, और पीछे की तरफ, yes, 4, 3, 2 and 1, come back, inhale and exhale, right leg straight, left leg back, hands up, inhale, opposite side से भी same, exhale, bend forward and go down, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, coming back, inhale and exhale, left hand behind, on your knee, up, inhale and exhale, bend your back, yes, try, push your hip front, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, come back, inhale and exhale. Okay, now after this, bend your both legs and hold your feet with your both hands, legs up, inhale and exhale, balance बनाइए. So try to make balance on your hip, straight leg, straight back, पैर मिला के रखो दोनों, 5, और पास, बिल्कुल पास, दोनों पैर, 4, yes, 3, पैर मिला के बिल्कुल, अभी पीछे देखो कैसे करना है अपने, वैसे होल्ड करना है, अपने पीछे मुड़ के देखो एक बार, हाँ वैसे बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट, वेरी नाइस. अभी देखो गिर रही हूँ, बैलेंस बनाओ, बैलेंस वो करते हैं, लर्न समथिंग, यस, ट्राई, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. तो when you do this pose, try not to go back side little bit, okay? थोड़ा सा आगे की तरफ रखो.